Dividing between two consonants. Syllable division rules. Hey there, English language learners. Welcome back to another exciting episode of our English language learning series. In today's video, we'll be diving into an important topic: syllable division rules. Specifically, we'll focus on dividing between two consonants within a word. Understanding this rule will help you improve your pronunciation and enhance your overall English communication skills. So, let's get started. Before we jump into dividing syllables between two consonants, let's quickly review what a syllable is. A syllable is a unit of sound that forms part of a word and contains a vowel sound. Syllables are the building blocks of words and play a crucial role in pronunciation. Each syllable has a nucleus, which is usually a vowel sound, and may be surrounded by consonant sounds. Now, let's move on to the main focus of our video: dividing between two consonants. When you come across a word with two consonants together, you need to determine if they belong to the same syllable or if they should be divided into separate syllables. Here are some rules to help you with this. 1. Consonant clusters. If the two consonants together form a consonant cluster that can start a word in English, such as BL, BR, CL, CR, FL, FR, GL, GR, place, PR, SL, SM, SN, SP, street, or SW, they generally belong to the same syllable. For example, in the word block, the BL forms a consonant cluster, and it belongs to the same syllable. 2. Splitting consonant clusters. If the two consonants form a cluster that can end a word in English, such as LT, NT, PT, or FT, they are usually divided into separate syllables. For instance, in the word felt, the LT cluster is divided, and felt has two syllables. Felt. 3. Consonant plus L. If the two consonants are followed by an L ending, such as in the word table, the syllable division usually occurs before the consonant cluster. Thus, table has two syllables. Ta-ble. Remember, these rules are general guidelines, and there might be exceptions. So, it's always a good idea to consult a dictionary or language resources for specific words you might be unsure about. To solidify your understanding, let's look at a few examples that demonstrate the syllable division rules we discussed. 1. Stress. The word stress has one syllable, as STR is a consonant cluster that can start a word. 2. Jump. In the word jump, the MP is divided into two separate syllables because it can end a word. 3. Simple. When we examine the word simple, the PLE cluster follows the consonant rule with an L ending, and the syllable division happens before the cluster. These examples should give you a clearer picture of how to apply the syllable division rules when encountering words with two consonants. Congratulations! You have now learned about dividing between two consonants according to syllable division rules. Understanding these rules will greatly contribute to your English pronunciation and fluency.